Okay, sige. Okay, I think I gave you these three, no? Okay. Okay. Some of the videos will be in the GC. Some will be in the Genio. Okay. If I uploaded, if I already uploaded them in your GC, you'll not see that anymore in your Genio. So vice versa. Okay. Okay. So take note also that I am generating, no? Those who viewed Genio, I'm giving points. That is me. Okay. So I'm seeing your names there who viewed it completely like Condino, no? And Anna Faith. The others, okay, konti lang po yung nag-view. Okay? So if you view that, I hope that you are learning because you viewed it with understanding. But if you viewed that, click only and then no learning, I'm so sorry. It's your loss. It's not mine. Okay? Okay. Likewise in the GC, it's up to you. So now, the question is, do you understand these alternating rules? Okay, alternating rule in a sequence or alternating signs. Okay, about the rule in sequence. Yes or no? Chat box everyone. Be honest. Okay, I hope you watch this. Go. Chat box. Yes or no? Bilisan. Tapos na ang time ko. Okay, walang sumasagot. Ayaw sumagot. Okay, pag sinabi ko may points ng sagot, magchat-chat yung mga yan. Ayan. Let's be honest. Very good. Nalilito po ako. Okay. Why? Okay. Dahil may accent. Tama ba ako? May accent yung kalbo, no? Okay. Si Professor Kalbo, nakasing natatawa siguro itong mga to. I do not want to see you. Halos kapareho ko na merong accent. Eh, lalong yung hindi maintindihan. Okay, that's okay. Sandali lang po. Natatawa talaga ako. Okay, no, no, no. Majority, no. Okay, sige, let's explain it. No? But I hope the sequence for you is interesting. No? I hope it's interesting. And I hope, no, I'm speaking here clearly. Okay? I do not know. Okay, what kind of English you are hearing from me. Okay, sige, let's go there. So, mga to. Okay, sige, tignan natin, no? Oops. Okay, sige. Do you have your answer for this? Ito. Wala pa? Sa video yan, ha? Nasa video ng Genyo. Ayaw niyo pang sagutin. Okay, sige. Bahala kayo. Baka lumabas ito sa quiz nyo, no? Okay, sige. Siguro bigyan ko kayo unhide. Oops. Bahala na kayo. Nakita niyo ba? So again, I'll show it to you. Oops. Let's enter. Okay, next. Okay, we'll go in here. Are you listening? Okay. Alternating signs of the terms of the sequence. Let's go. Okay. We know how to generate 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which are even numbers. Okay. Simple as 2n, right? 2 times 1. We begin with your 1. Sean Gabriel, no? Gabriel Santos. Ito na po yun. Okay, kung ano sinasagot mo sa GC. Oh, kaumay. Parang, ay, oh my God ba yun? Umay. Okay, natatawa naman ako sa response, no? Oh, pero dapat may learning, ha? Sean Carlos. Sean Carlos. Okay. So when you have this formula, that is your general end term, no? Okay. You do not write this your formula as this one as an N2. Never, no? 2 as your numerical coefficients must be ahead. no? Then that variable, letter n, that counting number, that domain, that positive integer, no? Okay, ito po lagi yan. Wala nang iba. Hindi yan zero start. It's not negative. It's but one. Always keep in your mind. Okay? So if I have this formula, I can generate this, no? As simple as 2 times 1, 2 times 2, no? 2 times 2 because of this, no? This is the second term, 6, 8, and so forth. 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Sige. Are you listening? Okay. I hope. Okay, that's easy, right? So again, if Seromel says, what is the sixth term for this n term? Okay, simply A6. And there must be replaced by 6, no? This one, this one, this one. It is moving. A6 equals 2, and then it must be 6. Replace n by 6 also. If you replace small n subscript by 6, the big letter n should be replaced by 6. It's 12. Okay, did you get it? Oh, that's easy. Now, next, go. Okay, let's have this. No? Okay, let's see how these alternating signs in the sequence alternates, no? Really in signs. Okay, these are the terms. They're 1 to 8, but how come they are repeated, no? Negative 1, 1, negative. Okay, sige, let's see the beauty in 8. This is the formula for this, no? If I'm going to actually generate that. Okay, how? Sige, let's go and analyze. If I'm going to raise negative 1 with n, which is 1, the first number, no? For n, negative 1 raised to 1, it's negative. Okay, that's negative 1. If I'm going to raise this by 2, it's going to be positive, no? Sorry. It's going to be positive. Why? Because negative 1 raised to 2, that is an even number, it gives you positive. Did you get that? Okay, so likewise, all positives here, sorry, even exponents, they will give you positive 1. Okay? Remember, your base is just negative 1. That is negative 1. That is never a positive 1. Okay? Because you cannot generate an alternating signs with a base that is 1. Did you get it? It's always a negative 1. Did you get it? Okay. How about, okay, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. Keep that in mind. It will give you positive numbers. And then this one, how about the odd numbers? Okay, and pertaining to your n, huh? Base, the exponent. That is exponent, letter n. The counting numbers, the domain, your positive integers. Okay, let's have 1, 3, 5, blah, blah, blah. What happens? Of course, negative 1 times negative 1, this is for this one. It's positive 1 times negative 1. It gives me negative 1. Okay? Did you get it? Pag hindi, susuntukin ko kayo talaga. Okay? How about this? Okay, sige, let's assume. Si Rommel is saying, no? It's 5 times of the negative 1 is you negative. Remember that. Okay? Okay, so it's alternating now, right? But of course, the base is 1. It will not give us any number than 1, no? Because base is 1. Did you get it? Yes or no? Chat box, go. Susuntukin ko kayo, ha? Okay. Did you get it now? Okay. Remember that if you raise, huh? It's it's either even or odd. Okay? So if it's even, it's say something even, no? Let's even. Okay? Parang ganun lang, even. It's always positive, no? Sa inyo kasi 5 is even, no? It's a negative. So this one, Even numbers, that is your exponent, it gives you negative. Okay? Okay, 1204 na. Tignan natin siya. Let's go. It's not a negative 1 base anymore. Let's have a 2, no? Or, if you want, sige, okay lang naman din yan. Okay, sige. Let's have this one as 2. Okay, what happens, no? Of course, it will increase or not. Will it going to be the same as 1 that you see here? Of course, it's not, no? You're raising it to 3. That is 2. 2 times 2 times, no, it's not, no? So this one will be what? Okay, it will increase, of course, no? Okay, see? Okay, you check. Negative 2 raised to 1, it's a negative 2. Negative 2 raised to 2, it's a positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2, right? What about a negative 2 that is raised 3, no? Raised to 3. Okay? 3, 3, 3, 3, negative 2. Okay, it's negative 8, no? You see? The effect of those even and or odd exponents is still the same. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, that odd numbers will give you negative numbers. Okay, when you raise this, no, and then that end, and then odd numbers will give you positive. Did you get it? Positive. It's not here. Huh? It's here now. Okay, but when you raise it to that end, keep in mind also that you are applying the power, no, rule of power. Okay. So you multiply that number how many times to itself, no? That is what exponent is all about. Okay, it's increasing also. Did you get it? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, sige, clear naman ngayon. No, suntokin kita dyan, Sean. Okay, kung kano ka kaagad dyan, ha? Kala mo, hindi ako tumitingin sa'yo. Okay? Sige, naintindihan ba? Clear? Okay, marami pa pong sample. Okay, sige lang. Slide po. Slide. Okay. So, remember that N, ha? Okay, next. Marami pa tayong sample. Okay, what about this general N term, no? Okay. So, I do have 2N, negative 1N. Basically, it's the same, no? Okay, tingnan nyo siya. Oops, parang hindi. Okay. Tingnan natin. This one is raised to that. This one, they are not, no? Okay, tingnan natin. It's the same as writing alternate. Yes, opposite or alternate, no? This one, negative 1 in here, it's the first one and then 2n. It's the same because multiplication is the operation of the two, no? You have this multiplied by 2n, negative 1 raised to n, 2n. It's the same. Okay, let's go. Okay, remember, huh? When it's 1, 3, 5, it's always negative. Okay? Okay. So if you raise that by 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this is negative now, no? Okay, we don't have problem with that. It's telling us, okay, that this one really has negative 1 times 2. Did you get it? So this one, okay, that is telling us na meron talagang negative 1 din dyan, no? Okay, there is a negative 1 there. Or we say it's 2, okay? And then this is 1. Why? It's the same, no? It's the same as having kanina it's 2 and then I do not have that. Are they the same? Okay, pero tatanggalin ko yung negative. Okay. Are these the same? Yes. Okay, they must be the same, no? So this negative 1 raised to that counting numbers begin from 1 is actually giving us the sign. Okay? and 2 there is a constant, but these two are the same. Did you get it? This one can be written as this. This one is giving us the sign, but this one is what? Tawag nito? Wait lang po. Okay, dapat nandoon din siya sa loob. Mali yun. Okay, dapat po ito ay multiplied by 2. Okay? It's like that. Okay, because that is different. Negative 1 is raised to n and likewise times 2. Okay? Like it's negative 1 times 2, it's negative 2. Okay, that is the order there inside. See? Okay. But negative 1 to n, keep that in mind, no? But negative 1 to n really, this one is giving us the alternating sign. 2 is giving us the value, no? It grows, no? It increase. Okay. Did you get me? Okay, next. Again, keep that in mind. This gives us the alternating signs. Okay. Tamad po talaga ako magsulat, no? Ayaw ko yung nagsusulat. At ito talaga ako. Ito ang aking gives the alternating sign. Okay, let's go. 12, 11. Okay, let's notice this now. Okay. So again, this gives the alternating sign, no? If I have this 1 and 1, okay, negative 1 raised to 1 is a negative times a 2 and a 1 in here, lakihan ko, it's a negative 2. Negative 1 raised to 1 is a negative 1 times 2 and a positive 1, place here your 1. It's a negative 2. Did you get it? Okay. How about 4? Okay. 2 times 2, that is next now. 2, hindi yung 4, ha? Diyos ko po, baka suntukin ko kayo. Okay, let's go. 2, what's next after 1? It's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4. But this one, when it's even, it gives positive. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? This is even because negative 1 raised to 2, it's even. Okay? 2 times 2, it's 4. Did you get it? Sige. Let's go here. 4. Why 8? Okay. Because of 4, no? 2 times 4, I'm looking for A4. 2 times 4, it's 8. Okay. This one gives me the sign, no? That is even. Okay. It's 4 raised to 4. That's positive. That's why it's 8. Did you get that? Okay. And so on and so forth. Okay. But mind you, don't forget to multiply 2 as your constant to your n, which is what? Changing, no? It changes from 1 up to 8. Did you get me? Try this, try that, try that. Hello. What about this? What about negative 2? Okay, it's negative 6. Why? How? Okay, sige. It's 2 times 3, no? Next, it's A3. Because this one actually is A3, no? Remember, I'm not changing this anymore, no? But it must be changed because you're looking for A3. A3, that's 3. A3 equals 2 times 3. It's 6. This is negative. Why? Because that is odd. Did you get me? They are the same here. Okay? So negative 1 raised to n gives you the alternating sign positive, negative, positive, negative. And mind this 2n that increases. No? It depends no? On the value of n that you are replacing. Did you get me? Sige, tingnan natin. Bali, pure. Tingnan natin kung may pure ang sagot na ngayon. Pure. Para ayaw sumagot. Pure. Okay, very good. Pure. Okay, marami na rin. Yay! Marami ng pure. Okay, sige, let's go. Kala nyo wala ako dito, ha? Okay, sige. Is this the same as this? No, it's not, no? This is simple, no? There's no n in the 2n, no? This one, there's n. In here, just 2. Oh, see what it gives you, no? Ito yung kahapong exercise. What is the 7th and the 8th term? It's negative 2 and 2. Sagot nila Anna Faith. Huh? Okay, this is your nth term. Okay, simple as that, no? Raise it to odd numbers, even numbers. It is giving you the alternating signs. Okay? So keep that in mind now. What about 2? It's just 2, no? You're not multiplying 2 to letter n. Okay, just 2, everyone, no? Kuha. Notice it's 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, it's like sirang plaka, no? Repeating, repeating because of 2. 2 is not being multiplied by n. There's no effect for 2. Did you get it? But, okay, see? Did you get it? Okay, sige, let's go. What about this, no? If I'm going to actually raise or add plus 1, let's make it big. Okay, kasi you might not see it. Okay. Okay, what about if I'm going to actually replace n plus 1, no? Remember, it's 2, 4, okay, 2, wait lang, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 8, nag-iiba-iba eh, no? Okay, it's different. What about if I'm going to actually add 1 in your n, no? In here, there's no addition. Okay, so I'm just going to actually multiply 2 with all the counting numbers there. It's easy, no? 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, it's giving me 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, no? Increasing by 2. It's increasing by 2. But the effect will be of this one, n plus 1, is something, no? Let's see. A while ago, okay, it is but it started with a negative, no? A negative. But this time, if you are adding n plus 1, it's the opposite now. This one becomes a positive, okay? In our previous examples, first term, third term, and these ones are negative. But if you are going to add n plus 1, the second term will be negative, no? It's the opposite. Okay, let's check why. How? Okay, 2n, we all know that, right? Increasing 2 times 2 times. Okay, and then negative 1, let's see how the effect is. N plus 1. 1 plus 1, okay, start always with 1. N plus 1, 1 plus 1, it's 2. Okay, so that is 2. Remember that if it's 2, it gives us positive. That is why for A1, this is A1. A1, this must be 1, 2 times 1. This must be 1, right? But this one is not raised to 1. That is raised to 2. Okay, that is the tricky part there, no? N plus 1. Negative, sorry, when you raise negative 1 to 2, again, 2 is now a even number. That must be positive. That's why this 2 is positive. Okay, so this one is giving you positive, and then 2 times 1, it's giving you 2. Okay, what about this, no? And the rest, it's for you to find out. Okay, don't worry, I'll give this to you, no? But there's no formula. Okay, remember, there's my formula here, no? Okay, I am that siraulo sa math, no? I can, okay, I can have those, everything. Okay, let's go. How about 3? Okay, sorry, that's A2. A2 now replace everything, no? A2, this is 2, this is 2. It becomes 4 now. But wait for the sign. This one is 2, 2 plus 3. But that is odd. It gives you a negative. Negative 1 raised to 3, it's a negative. That's why 2 times 2 and a negative 1. It's giving us negative 4 again. 2 times 2, it's a positive 4. But this one is giving us a negative sign. Why? Because negative 1 is raised to 3. Okay? Why 3 again? Hello. Your n is 2. 2, 2. Did you get it? Hmm. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ang sabihin dapat? Um, hindi ko na mas maintindihan. Sasabihin ko sa inyo. Okay, sige, naiintindihan po ba? O, sasagot na lang dyan. Opo. Opo. Do you understand it, Samuel? And then you say it's Opo, spelled as O-P-O. Go, chat box. Opo. Okay. Okay, so this is just the same, no? Let's go. What about this? I think you have to actually check on your own, no? If entirely Sir Romel is just feeding you, spoon feeding you, then it's not worth it, no? You are not learning, okay? Just chewing the food, chewing the, swallowing the food from me, no? So try this, no? Okay, I think they're the same. Why? You found, actually, you find it, no? That is n plus 1. This next one is n minus 1. Why the same? Okay, try it, no? Next. Okay, sige. How about n plus 2, no? Okay, what is the effect? And then n minus 2. Why are they the same? Find out, no? N minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, sige. Okay. It is actually interesting to actually generate the rule or generate a sequence rather. If you apply this, if you do not apply this, then you cannot create this sequence, no? Hindi ka makakasagot, ha? Mag-try po kayo, no? Okay, there's nothing to be afraid of. This is just but simple arithmetic, okay? But I guess exponent is not an arithmetic because it's not plus and minus, no? Okay, but multiplication and division are simple arithmetic. I do not know. I cannot consider, okay, those multiplication and division. I do not know. It's arithmetic. Okay, exponent is not, but hello, no? Grade 10 na kayo, hindi nyo pa ba alam ang exponent? Okay, next. Next, we have sorry, fractions. Okay, let's see. Okay, what fraction is all about? Tignan natin. Okay, so let's have this as your, okay, it must be written here, no? It's in the middle. This one must be written in the middle. Okay, in here. Okay, there's an effect kasi. Oops. Okay, and then I'll show this. Okay, 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 that is more, what do you call that one? Mas okay, no? Auto hide. Mhm. Okay, sige, mas make it larger, no? Okay, sige. There's a fraction waiting there, no? There's bar. Let's go. Okay. So if this is my formula, rule, general, and term, okay, anong gagawin ko dyan sa Rommel? Tutungangaan ko. No, it's not. Apply it. This is denominator, this is numerator, no? This is fraction. Okay? A rational. Okay? Expression on your right side. Okay? Let's go. Generate it. We all know this, no? So this one gives us all the signs, no? This one. Okay, so we're not new to this anymore, no? Okay. And then 2n, of course we know it, no? 2 times 1, 2 times 2 times, okay, no? And then what about this? Of course, we know that, no? Why? Because negative 1 is raised to 2. Okay, those are even numbers. Ako ha? Okay, sana naintindihan, ha? Okay, did you get it? So my answer would be, you check your terms there. Negative 1/2, 1, okay. But they're alternating signs. Okay, negative, negative, negative. So all you care is for that negative one to be raised for that counting numbers. It gives you signs, no? No worry. Operate this one. Okay? So make sure that negative 1 raised to n is always in the denominator and it gives sign, no? Okay. So for this one, uh, fractions should always have a sign in here, no? In here. Just near or, yes, beside your bar, no? This bar here, the horizontal bar. Horizontal? Yes, horizontal bar. But for this one, because it's Excel, no? It's very hard for me to actually have this sign here, no? So it's negative 1 over 2, negative in here, 1 over 6. It's the same, no? It's the same. Okay? Entiendes? Okay, let's go. Let's go now here. Okay, what happens here, no? Gives you alternating signs. It's okay. And then operate this 2n minus 1. Okay? 2n minus 1 means 2 times 1 minus 1. It's 1. 2 times 2 minus 1 or minus 1 is 3. 2 times 3, okay, that is for my A3, no? 2 times 3, this one, A3. 2 times 3, it's 6 minus 1, it's 5. Okay, it's giving me an increasing number that is by 2. Okay? What about decreasing? Okay, sige. Did you get me? Okay, so sige, I hope. Okay, sige. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. What about this one? Okay. Remember in here, no, this is negative 1 raised to n alone. But this one, numerator has 5n in it, no? And then 2 minus 1 in there, it's 1, 3, 5, 7. It's okay. Operate also this one, no? Okay, but 5n there is something, no? 5n is increasing. Okay, it means, but 5n, for 5n, it's increasing by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. See? Okay. Did you get me? Okay, this will give the sign. Okay. Now, sometimes this is tricky. Okay. Why? Sige. Where's the tricky there? Negative 5, 1, 10, 3. Sometimes this one is not written as negative 15 over 5. Why? You can simplify it. Okay? It could be written as negative 3 only, no? Baka sabihin mo, fraction pa kayo. Negative 15 over 5 is negative 3. Okay, this is negative. So, put in your mind that why is it negative 3 only? Okay, there's a pattern, no? That negative 3 can be written as negative 15 over 5. Okay, keep that in mind. I'll keep that in your quiz. Okay, this one cannot be simplified. This one, no. This one, no. No. This one can be simplified. 40 and 15, right? 5 and 8 cancelled. It's 8 over 3. Did you get me? Yeah, hello. The end. So this can be written as negative 3, might be. This one is what? 8 over 3. A positive 8 over 3. Did you get me? Okay, sometimes it will be tricky, okay? Okay, but that 8 over 3 can be written as 40 over 50. Mhm. Ano kaya itsura ng 1229? Okay, this one. Okay, sige. We'll stop with this one. I do not want to mix this, no? There's a pattern still in here. Okay, sequence is a pattern really, no? And it's enjoyable, no, to actually learn math. And then we relate ourselves in this new lesson. We relate ourselves with this new lesson. We are actually relating ourselves into the past lessons that we had, no, since kinder preschool up to your grade 9. See? Okay, that's how beautiful math is. No, it's flexible, and it's not complicated, but somehow for you, you're seeing it as complicated. It's a complex, but somehow, if you study it, it is simple, no? It is simple. Okay, mathematicians are telling you it's complex, but we made it complex for you to see that the beauty in it, it's simple, no? Just a combination of the simple things, and then we have that complex. Did you get that? Okay, ganun po kasi ang math. Okay, so this is complex now. We'll discuss that Tuesday, no? It will be, you will be in your group discussing that, and then, sige. For your advanced study, going to actually upload your videos, no? For you to help, for you to be help, no? For you, yes, no? For you to get help, you watch the videos because I'm not going to have to explain it to you, no? Okay, sige, I'll group you, and then sige, let's find out, no, who has the what do you call this? The discussion that is so simply simple, and then all can apply. We will check, no? I'll group you into five for this one. Okay, that's it. Wala na tayong problema. Okay? Okay, tingnan natin yung mga mukha. Okay, tingnan natin yung mga mukha ng mga batang ito. Okay, so don't worry, I'll give those Excel, but it's without formula, no? If it's with formula, um, siguro with with if it's with formula, Excel, after the lesson na lang siguro, no? Find out what Sir Romel doing there in the Excel, no? I want you to actually uh, love it as your new technology because somehow, no? Uh, you can use Excel. Naintindihan? Okay, sige. For your attendance, I want to have this, no? Go to your GC and then put your number there, no? Like, I do not want present anymore. Put the number there. It's your Google form number. Like, email is one, no? One. And then, after that is space, and then with books, or sorry, it's with textbooks, without textbooks. Okay? So again, I want to be seeing there. Okay, it's simple, no? So there's your E. Okay, tingnan na natin kung sino nag-respond. Meron na ba?